Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we'll be solving reverse a number. So the problem statement states that you are given an integer n, return the integer formed by placing the digits of n in the reverse order. So if 25 is given, output should be 52. Let's solve this. So the algorithm that I'm trying to solve this using is we'll get a remainder by doing modulus operation and multiply it by 10 and add the remainder in a while loop to get the reverse number. So let's solve it. So to track the remainder, I'll initialize a variable called remainder and set it to 0. There is a typo in remainder, and then int reverse. This is a new variable which will be set to 0 and it will store the reverse of the number. So while n is greater than 0, my remainder will be our input modulus 10 and my reverse number would be my reverse into 10 plus the remainder. And now I have to reduce the input by one digit. So my n will be n divided by 10. That way, while the while loop gets completed, the reverse will have the reversed order of the number. So I'll return the reverse here. Let me run this. Accepted. So all the test cases have passed. Let me submit this code. So all the 13 cases have passed. Thank you, friends.